Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside rolling toolbox for your tools. You can have so many tools at this toolbox, it is huge. Well, let's see one by one. All the case, it is from plastic, only in this area these hinges are metal. This is plastic. Well, industry loves plastic. It is a hard, durable plastic. We've got 4 cases for screws. I can say the plastic, it is flexible. That is good because many times in this lock area is breaking and that is frustrating. Now we've got the handle. We've got another handle. This is when you want to use it with the wheels, right and left. We've got the lock button, just slide front, unlock, and you can fold the handle. Nice. And it has a great look, I can say. I like it. It feels very durable. Well, let's open and see what we have inside. Move on for installation. The wheels. Okay. We've got this plastic for more tools, smaller tools, for screw bits, and one, and another one wheel. Our hard wheels, hard plastic, not any soft area. And of course, we've got the manual, the instruction, how you can assemble the wheels. And of course, inside we have another one compartment. It is for the wheels. You can see here. Let's move on and install the first one. These two are going inside. Just slide it here. Press with your fingers and it locks. Same and at this side, press here and locks. Perfect. Now let's take the upper case, lock it, handle, and it goes here. Perfect. And we've got this locking plastic here, only this area is metal, and same on the other side. And there you have it. Now the diameter, it is 64.5 centimeter, 45 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Max, it can handle 30 kilos and made in Europe. Now at this side we've got the distance meter from 0 to 26 centimeter and from 0 to 10 inch. Now let's put some stuff. Now at the bottom box you can have some power tools that you are not using so often. Of course, it is your choice what tools you want to use at the toolbox. It depends your professional job. If you want to use it for DIY projects at your home, any professional job, it has different tools, different power tools, hand tools. That's why it is your choice and use it to your own needs. I'm just putting some tools inside just to see how many you can have, and even a case. It can handle even a case. Okay. And at this upper box you can have more tools. The upper box is bigger, this compared with the bottom box. You can have so many tools. And we've got in this case, goes here. Not much to have at this case, but definitely you can use the upper or the bottom case, bigger or the smaller. And the bottom case, you can handle it from these metal hinges. Nice. Unfold the handle, and you can see how easy it is to move on with this rolling toolbox. Definitely it will make your life easy. If you are a professional, definitely it is a great choice to buy it. It costs only 33 euros. It is so cheap. Or if you want to use it at your home for a DIY project, outside or inside, it is your choice. I like it. Definitely it's doing an amazing job. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside rolling toolbox. I like it, thumbs up for me. It's a great toolbox. You can have all your tools, if that is a power tool or hand tool, at the right position, screws, everything at these plastic cases. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.